Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our last video we spoke about combo boxes, what a combo box is, and how to add items into a combo box. So in today's tutorial I want to show you guys how to delete items from a combo box. And guys, if you've not seen my last video yet, I will leave it on the top right corner, so you can go ahead and watch it real quick to learn how to add items to a combo box. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And guys, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps a lot. So today guys, we are just going to use our old project, the one we did the last time. And like I said, if you've not watched it yet, I will leave it on the top right corner. You can go ahead and create yours. I'm just going to start this and show you guys how it works. So if I start this, and as you guys can see, the combo box is empty, but if I press add item, I can go ahead and add unlimited as my item and click OK. And now as you guys can see, unlimited is now added to our combo box. Now the first thing we will do is to open our toolbox. So go ahead and click on view, select toolbox, and then select button. Now I'm just going to reposition this. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you guys to see. Now I told you guys there were two ways of adding items to a combo box. The first one is by clicking on this button and then clicking on edit items and then adding our items here on the form. So I'm just going to add unlimited. Now this method is different from the one we just did. When you click OK, we've just added the item unlimited to the combo box. We can delete this by going to edit items again and just deleting unlimited from the string collection and then press OK. Now to delete items from a combo box while the program is running, we first need to change the text of our button. So change the text property to remove item. You can change the name to whatever you want. You can change it to delete. So let me just resize it. And now we double click on our remove button, and if you do so, we should see this window right here. And now guys, we are just going to use a similar code to the one we used to add the items to the combo box the last time. So we are going to use a similar code to this, the same variable name. So you can copy this and paste it down here and just edit a few things, but I'm just going to go ahead and type it all over again. So first we deem item as our variable, and then item is equal to input box open bracket and then open quotation, and here we just give an indication to let the user know what to do. So I'm just going to enter an item to be removed. You can put whatever you want. Just now we do combo box 1 dot items, and now since we are removing, we do dot remove. So in the first case we did add, but now we are removing, so we are going to bring remove and then open brackets and then our item. That's our variable or our container. And now with this code, if we run our program, it should be able to remove any item we add into our combo box. And now in this line of code I explained it, we are creating a variable, and here we are displaying an input box to let the user know what to do and to allow them to enter the items they want to add or to be removed. And here we are just basically removing any item entered into the input box. So if you go ahead and start this, and as you guys can see, we don't have any items in the combo box yet. I can go ahead and add item. I'm going to add subscribe as my item. So guys, if you've not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe right now. And as you guys can see, we have our subscribe item. Now if we click on remove item and enter the same subscribe, we are telling the program to delete or to remove that item. So if we click on OK, guys, you can see the subscribe has been removed. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time.